is glucose. It is a 6-carbon molecule which is classed as a hexose sugar. ATP, the blue molecule, is introduced to the glucose. ATP is broken down during this process to ATP and phosphate. Phosphates then attach to the glucose to make phosphorylated glucose. This phosphorylated glucose is split into 2 triose phosphate molecules containing 3 carbons each. 2 hydrogen molecules are released from the triose phosphate and they are put into an electron carrier called NAD. Once the hydrogen molecules are added to NAD, it becomes reduced NAD. The next process is the conversion of triose phosphate to a 3-carbon molecule called pyruvate. During this process, ATP is produced by ADP and the phosphate molecules. First stage of aerobic respiration called glycolysis. Woo! This pyruvate molecule is made during glycolysis and are actively transported into the matrix of the mitochondria. The pyruvate is oxidized where hydrogen is removed and passed on to NAD to make the NAD into reduced NAD. Carbon dioxide is removed from each pyruvate by an enzyme called coenzyme A. This is left of the pyruvate, a 2-carbon molecule which is now called acetyl group. This coenzyme A joins with the acetyl group to make acetyl coenzyme A. This is stage 3, called the Krebs cycle. This occurs in the matrix of the mitochondria. The acetyl coenzyme A combines with a 4-carbon molecule to make a 6-carbon molecule. Eventually, the 6-carbon molecule loses 2 carbon dioxides to reform to the 4-carbon molecule. During this process, the hydrogen is also removed from the 6-carbon molecule and reduces NAD to reduced NAD and FAD to reduced FAD. During this process, ATP is also created as a phosphate and an ADP is taken from the 6-carbon molecule to make ATP.